Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. It's Friday. It's Friday. Okay. Okay, guys. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Doing all right, doing all right. Friday. Yeah. God gets smart on Fridays. Grammar like that. Maybe it's not just Fridays. Oh yeah. Friday. Be good. I think for the weekend I'm going to be doing I think I know what I'm going to be doing for a video. So I know what I'm going to be doing for a video for more new 5.5 stuff, so we'll continue working on our game today. That's the plan. And the plan is to figure out, well, the plan is to see if whether or not I can even figure out how to do controller support in any way at all. Because, oh boy. That's... Yeah, I don't know how the hell to do this. I don't know how to do this. But we'll try some things. And it'll fail, and that'll be that, and that'll be the day. That's how I expect today to go. I will try things, they will fail, and that's how it'll be. Like, I was watching some tutorials, but I don't think they fit what I'm doing, because I'm not using buttons to... So... Yeah. Let's see. Because my stuff is based off of, like, mouse enter or slash select. Either way, let's try some crap. Let's fail and let's continue from there. So we'll start with the Well, by start, I mean, really, it's just the deck builder. So, I'll start with just with you. Let's just start with the actual deck part of the deck builder, because it's just smaller and simpler. And see if I can get the controller to do anything with this. Wait, do I have a... I have it on drop. I have a move card. Wait. Oh, it's different. Oh, it's on the cards. Right, that would need to... So, grid panel deck. Here's the grid panel. If I get child index, can I get I want to get like screen location? Thinking, how do you get a location of something? So I've been sneezing a lot today. I don't know why. I want to get the widget's location, screen space. Screen space. Get screen space position. This takes in something. A dark blue. I can't do that. Is there a way of doing this? Oh. So you can do get child at, get cast geometry. You got a cold or flute? I mean, it's possible. Definitely possible. Local to viewport. Local coordinate 00. So, can I move mouse? Is there a thing to move mouse? Move mouse to screen location. There's a set mouse position. Set mouse position. New mouse position. What is this? Oh, hold on. Get player controller. Set mouse position. That's what I want. So, do I want pixel position? Do I want viewport position? I think pixel position. So, what I want to check is, can I move the mouse to a specific location on the screen based off of this? So, if I did this and a custom event, Maybe pollen in the air. Am I allergic? No, no allergies. I'm lucky that way. Yeah, I don't know why. So if I'll be a bit sniffly today, I'm sorry. Hopefully just today. I usually never get sniffly. Like that's like a very rare thing that I don't out of nowhere. Set mouse position. So what I want to do is go to my character, player, and then here we'll do a debug key. I'll make it like 4 because I know I'm not using that. We're gonna get the deck builder. Make sure it's valid. And as long as it's valid, we're gonna check if it's visible. As long as it's visible as well, when I press this button, then it's gonna do what do I call it? Set mouse position. Set now. Oh, deck builder deck. Get deck builder deck. And set mouse position. Okay. Why are things broken? What did I do? Because I changed this. Yeah, so your whole collection and stats are going away. I'll change this later. So the whole collection open, go away, stats open, go away. Don't need clear binds. On key up, released. I don't think of this. I need on key up anymore. And kill all of you. On key down. I don't think all of this can go. I think I can just delete on key down. Increase level up counter. Could go away. Ooh, where am I using that? Somewhere. It's going away. Update display stats, going away. Source selected card and button released. Wait. I don't think I need it anymore. Compile. Don't need the whole get display stats. I collect a card. Yeah, well, we don't need this. That's not a thing anymore. Store selected card. Level up. Oh, hold on. I don't think I need to do this. I'm breaking things. If it wasn't abundantly clear, I'm very much breaking things. And we'll see how it goes after I've broken everything. Okay. Delete. File, save. Pause menu. Stats, collection. Don't go. I mean, honestly, we're not even using the pause menu anymore. So I could just kill the entire pause menu. Delete. Okay. You have problems. We deleted the pause menu. Yeah. Let's see more. Okay. Now. Collection stats, go away. This no longer needed. Excellent. None of this is needed. Good. Okay. Now can I do it? Okay. So. What? Poop. I deleted more than I was supposed to. Cause wait. On drop. Yeah, I need to have on key down. Okay. Instead of this. I'm just gonna do a little git restore. One moment. Show and explore. Git restore. How I wish this was just more automatic. For collection. Why can't I paste? E? Paste. Shift insert is the hot. What? Why is that the hotkey? And then git restore. Check. Paste. Okay. Load it back up. Load it back up. Load it back up. Accidentally a little bit extra. That's okay. So here. Wait. Car collection. No, that's right. Wait. Why is the... What's going on with you? I didn't restore you. If it's valid, don't do this. Let's do this. do this. Okay. I am breaking everything. Oh, I deleted set mouse position. I'm stupid. Because I just reverted it. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Back here, event graph. Some events. Set mouse position. And again, I need to get my grid panel. Get child at, let's just say here. Get cache geometry. Local. Or get local. Screen to local. Size. Wait. No. What was it? What did I do? Ah, shit. I forgot what I did. It was. Get local or it's off of this. Local to viewport? I think it was local to viewport. Yeah. Get oh shit, what's it called? Player controller? Set mouse position. Jesus Christ. Got there in the end. Split. Okay. Can I refresh this and be fine? Set mouse position. But how did I break? This all works. Oh, now this works. There you go. Cool. There's just more bugs that happen. So now that I have this, if I press 4 on my keyboard, nothing happens. My mouse doesn't move. Okay. Is this triggering? No. Oh, right, because I'm stupid. And I'm doing this from here. I need to do it from inside of the UI. So here, overwrite mouse button down. If this is equal to get geometry. I always forget get input and then from point. No. How do I always forget this? What do I have on? Oh, mouse right there. Mouse button down. Oh, that's literally. I'm okay. It's Friday. Can I use that as an excuse for me being really dumb right now? I'm going to. That isn't going to be my excuse. It is I'll just do is mouse. Always forget. Always forget. Is can I do is keyboard button down? Will this work? No match? Oh, I can't use that as an excuse? Why not? Always use it as excuse. Handled. Because you need handled. No, that doesn't work if it's not a mouse button. It's a mouse event. Oh, I did a mouse button down. Hold on. I did dumb. I need on key down. Let's do is equal. Key event. Get key. Okay, is this equal to 4? If it is, just please print hello. For every error, you take a shot. There's a few problems with this. There's a few problems with this. When you click, you can tab through. And I don't like this tabbing through. So why is the key down not working? Oh, it's because I'm doing it on... Let me actually just do this, but not here. Let's do it on the deck builder itself. I crashed. Getting your chair and I hope. Have a good one, sir. See you on the other side. Do you not have autosave turned on? Do you not have incremental save turned on? Do you not have your project set? Mine crashes all the time. If you're not using autosave, then that's on you. Turn on autosave. And if you have autosave, then it crashing shouldn't matter. Might lose 10 minutes of work. So, yeah. Rule number 1 of anything you ever do: turn on autosave for everything, including Unreal already has it on. Everything has it on. I need to turn it on, but always check your preferences. In every single piece of software, turn on autosave. Okay. Can use this. So from here, instead of this, I get deck and set mouse position. Will this work? Press 4. My mouse is in the top left corner. So it's not quite overlapping it. It's like just a little too... Okay. I can do that and then just do an add. No, not that kind of add. Add. Why is it add to viewport? Just operator. Just add. Like 5 pixels. Both sides. I think it starts on top left. I think this should work. So now if I go here and I press tab and I press 4, yeah, okay, it selects it. So what we can now do is play some ads. Let's play some ads. We need to get the store the current child location. It's fine, you didn't lose much. Hopium. Yeah, well, learning experience. Always turn on autosave every single program. Maya, ZBrush, 3ds Max, doesn't matter what it is. Is it a 3D program? It is. Turn on autosave. Everything. See, autosave in 3, 2, 1. Autosave. The industry has learned that everything will crash at some point for any reason whatsoever. So autosave saves your butt. Unless, I mean, I use autosave combined with incremental save, typically, or at least autosave in Maya. It's not even to make new versions. I just click Control S to make a new version. I only keep like last 10. So if I need to, I can go back if something happened. And it all works out. Did you watch all the videos, Good Guts? Are you now an expert in all things modeling? Nope. Watch the videos. It'll be faster to watch the videos and then do what the videos say than... oh, I can do local chord. I could probably do this. 5-5. Actually, is that... I do this. Actually. Yeah, I can do that. Okay. So I can do like, I don't know, 20-20. Let's really be on top of it. Okay. Took a break from watching a video. I understand it was it's a very tiring video. Boy, was it exhausting. If you go watch the videos, you won't watch me, Saj. That's why I asked if you watched it already. Okay, so I need to promote this to a variable. This is selected card. Controller selected card. Selected card index. Okay, before I do this, go back to the deck builder. Is this under key down? If I do... see, I cannot do... I guess I have to do... D-pad. Because I can't specify left thumbstick right, I assume. Gamepad, left thumbstick. Yeah, I can't specify direction on left. Oh, I can. Left thumbstick, right. Well, let's see if that works. Yeah. Oh, interesting. It doesn't move the mouse. It selects it, but the mouse is still there. Cool. Cool. I mean, that's not intentional, but I'm fine with that. Completely fine with that. Okay, so what we want to do is do another custom event. Increase card selection index and decrease card selection index. So basically what we need to do is increment it and decrement it. But we want to have it, you know, go the other way, but let's start with this. So from here, before I do this, I'm going to increment increase card selection index. And then we do a decrease card selection index here. If it's false, we do a check. This time, gamepad, left thumbstick left is gonna go decrement, and then so if I did this. Hey, look at that. I think that's nice. I don't even need to like do I need to mark it as selected. Actually, no, I don't. It automatically will do it because I am moving the mouse there. So, but we want it to loop on itself, right? Ooh, what's this? Set mouse position. Oh, it's because I probably went too far. Damn. So if, what I need to do is get child. No, not on child index. Get children count. There we go. So, if it is, if I increment it, if it is equal to this, if these are equal, then go ahead and set the value to 0. And if this is less than 0, Then set it to be. Can I get last index? No, but we can do this -1. So, if I did this, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, this is a start, but we need to do advanced stuff. Okay. We'll say this one's okay for now. So now we need to do work on the collection version of it. More difficult. So let's go to the graph. I should be able to just copy these, honestly. Create a variable with that. And these only. Get child. Oh, wait. Wrong thing. This one. That's what I wanted. Okay, so if I do the same thing here, and then on this one, get this down below. I'm going to change this one out. Can't switch it out. I need for collection, and I probably can't do this. Nope. Increase card selection index. Decrease card selection index. And then set this position. So now, if I did it here, it selects it. Now, the unselectable ones, or sorry, so for this one, I want to skip over the ones that are already in my deck. Right, because right now the mouse is technically like right here, so that's why it doesn't select anything. So this one's going to be slightly different. I need to get a child at the specific index. I need to What do I need to cast here? Card. I did this. Then, get state. I need to know what state it's in. So when we do set state, do I have a get state? Set press state. Give selected card info. Set default state. I have card mode. That's what I need. Get card mode. And basically, if this is equal to deck unavailable, then I wanted to do this again. Yes. If it is equal to 0, and then I also need to check it that it is. And basically, it will false out of here. As long as it's available, it'll false out. Okay. Let's see if that works. No. Access not trying to read property. Call get child at return. What? This fails. Why does it fail? No, it succeeds. It succeeds. Deck the mode. Maybe I'm available. If it's deck available, it should increase it. It is not the max. And then it'll go here. And it'll fail out. It should fail out, at least here. Or false out. And it does. Is it going here for some reason? Yes, every time it's going there. Why is it going there every time? I increment it and I check if the children count is equal. $10, which is correct. So this should go to 0. Oh, when this is true, it always goes here. Wait, why is it? Oh, why? What? Hold on. How did the other one work? Oh, it was because it was untrue. Why did I put it under false? That's why. That's why this is happening. I don't know how I managed to put it under false. There we go. Now it's skipping over the non-selectable ones. Beautiful. So now we do the same thing but in reverse. So I do the same thing here. Get so now if I go right, left, so why is left not work? I set it, and I check it. Oh, if it's less than 0, then it gets set. Right. It's not less than 0. You just continue. Same problem. Bye-bye. Boom, 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 boom. Ta-da! And if I was to return, like, this card, why can't I control click anymore? Why haven't I control click? Why no work again? Yeah, you can see, just even underneath my camera, you can see it gets a thicker line. So it selects it. Why does control click not work? Oh, here we go. Here. What? I'll move card. On the deck, yeah, they both have it. Wait, did I did I remove that by accident? Wait, how did this happen? I bind the event. And when we generate the cards, card right there. It's right there. I run this. It was working. Access non-trinary WB deck builder. He doesn't know WB deck builder here. How? Because it's no longer on the game mode reference. It's now on the player. The way I have it set up, isn't it? Yeah, it's on the player now. Get game mode reference. Set deck builder. Use the deck builder here. Get WB deck builder. If it's valid. Storing there. Sticking it here. Get WB. So I need to also set up a WB collection. Where is... Yep. WB collection. Okay. Get a collection. Set collection. There we go. I'm gonna display stats. All right. Here. Boom. Okay. There we go. Now I can do it again. Now I can do it again. So, this is working. Now, I now want to make it where I can swap between them by just pressing up and down. Actually, I don't want to do up and down because if I have a
pausing for ads.
If I have a lot of cards in my as card options, I don't want to have to go through all of them to do this. And actually, the other thing I don't know how to do yet is how the hell do I do it with if I have more cards? I don't know how to scroll yet. So actually, we need to figure out how to scroll. And for that, first we need to just... Now we have things to scroll with. And... yeah, it doesn't scroll. And we need to scroll. Hey, Mr. Biscotti, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Happy Friday. We're gonna be figuring out how the hell do we make it? Do we make something scroll with a controller? I don't know if I have a good solution yet. Well, we're gonna try to find out. Okay. Card collection. So here, I want to see. I need to grab the... I have a scale box. Oh, this is a scroll box. This is not a deck select. Scroll box. Can I, scroll? Can I, set allow scroll bar, set enemy scrolling. Set thicknesses, set scroll, get scroll offset. Set scroll offset. Okay. Okay, hold on. What we can now do is, for this, I want to print this. $13, $604. This is relative to the screen size, right? So if I did this, How is it selecting? Oh, it's moving the mouse there, but there's 645. This is 345. All of these are 345. $604. Okay. So what I need to do is get viewport size. $1440. Perfect. So what is this value divide by this value? Wait, 0? What? Wait, 0. How are you getting... $13,604. Oh, it's because I'm doing it. This is an int. That's why. To float. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to see how far down the 12 2 12 1. Wait. I'm trying to see how far down it is. Oh, I plugged it in backwards. I plugged it in backwards. I'm just seeing how far down the screen. So there we go. 7%, 41%. So if it is if this value is greater than 0.5, then I want to this. And let's try this set scroll offset. If I set scroll offset to, let's say, 100, does it scroll? It does scroll. Okay. Scroll. You asked before about scrolling with a controller? Did I miss the question? What about it? What about it? So I need to do new scroll offset is 1024 divide by or times 5. 358. I can do a little more. Oh, I need to do that plus the gap in between them. Just do 400. See how that works. Okay, it was almost correct. Difference is after this, I need to go back and... You said something about how to make something scroll with a controller. You want to know what exactly I want to do. Literally that. I want to scroll. So, right? The collection doesn't fit. And so if I continue going to the next card, well, oh, then I want it to fit. I need to do this after. Yeah, because when you continue selecting cards that are now no longer on screen, right, we need to be able to see the cards on screen. Pretty simple, but pretty simple, like, concept, but it's to be executed. Okay. Something like this. Hey, Sworn, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Okay. Oh. It helps if I plug in the false here. So what is crashing for you? Or are you talking about it crashes for me? Oh. Ooh, why did it not select unstackable there? Set scroll offset. You crash where you said? If I go to the end of the screen? Oh. Got it. Got it. I missed the timing. 604 and go to the next one. 1096, it should still have selected this card here. But it didn't. Why is it... Wait, why is it 1096? Oh. The value's different now. You need to delay until next tick? Is that the problem? For whatever reason? No? So, why is it... Hey Leo, welcome in. How's it going? Doing well. You speed around targeting system today? Nice. Medium delay as always? Yeah. Got the highest / lowest health, closest for their distance, and closest and cluster-based targeting working. Cluster-based is the sense of choosing the best targets that's surrounded by the tallies. That's on to making the different turrets and their shooting styles. Nice. Sounds like you got things under control now. Good to hear. Okay, what I can do is this. If it's false, then just do this. And if it's true, then do X, and then do Y minus 400. Scroll offset. That gonna work? That's not working at all. It's not working at all? Oh. Again, helps to plug things in. There we go. Now it's selected. It's behind the camera, but trust me, it's selected. Okay. So now if I go backwards, I need to also then scroll up. Okay. So now what we need to do is check if it is less than, I don't know. I need to get the value here. So, print string. .07. So it's less than 0.05. False again goes here. This again we need. This is going to be add 100. X here. Y here. I'll make it cleaner afterwards. You gotta admit, all the different targeting modes, the cluster one you're concerned about performance-wise, because it basically loops over existing targets in a range, and then sphere overlaps on those actors to see which one has the most around them. Sphere over... Concern about performance because it basically loops over existing targets in range. And then does sphere, when you say sphere overlaps, do you mean sphere traces? Sphere overlap actors node. Just do a sphere trace. Do a sphere trace. At every single one of those locations. And then you just need a multi-sphere trace that gets just your characters. And then you just check the length of the sphere trace. And that's it. Yep. And then traces are pretty cheap. Are really cheap, actually. So just use sphere traces. I don't know how expensive the sphere overlap actors node is, but I know traces are cheap. They're meant to be used like tons in games. Ooh, okay, that didn't quite work. Let's see what it prints. Print me this value. That's 0.07, yeah. It's negative. Oh, I know why. Because I forgot to add this. It didn't quite work though. So here it selects it. But if I go the other way, it didn't select it. So I'm probably moving just a little too much. So it's 380. And for the cart generated available cards, what's the gap here? 12. So it's like 380, 390 is really what should be moving. Doesn't quite work the other way. Why doesn't it work the other way? Is it too high? One. It's like all the way at the top. So is it working in this direction, but not in the other direction? Why is it... Why is it not... $13, 604, 1096. The bot going down is also not working correctly. Okay, so it's not working in both directions. I thought this was working, but it's not. This minus. I don't know why. Oh yeah, it is working there. Is just I was printing in without the minus 390. So hmm. Why? Why is it negative 389? You're feeling really good today, so you're out. Well, have a good one, Good Guts. Have a good one. Good night. So the problem we're facing is, for some reason, when we do the scroll offset and I get the location of child at an index, it doesn't work. Yes, I don't need view. I need pixel position. That's all correct. So I do the scroll. Theoretically, I should not need to do these. That's the thing. Theoretically, it should just be this. But for some reason, it isn't. What if I change stuff? We did this first. Then we did this. And then if we did this, then we did it again. I mean, it cleans it up for sure. Oh. Loop detected. Why? It would say, yeah, set it to this, and then put it back. So this sets scroll offset. It does the scroll. Delay until next tick. Oh! I think that's the trick to it. That's the trick to it. Although we tried delay until next tick before, and it didn't seem to work. So this is selected below me. If I go the other way, it's selected. The top right selected. We're going up. Excellent. Okay. Without delay, one hit will loop forever. Well, that's the thing. It shouldn't loop forever. Because it would, like, in my setup, once it's moved, it will no longer be greater than, and so it would false out of it. But I guess it doesn't know this, and so it's like it's definitely a loop. It's a possible loop, but depending on the values, based on the values of set, it's not a loop. So, okay. This is working. Next, I want to be able to go up and down. Maybe we can't update since it needs calculations that will happen on the next tick. Yeah, no idea. I want to be able to move up and down, which is the next thing we're going to be setting up after the end. Basically, instead of going next, like right, left, I want to also go be able to up, down. Stairs, elevators also help. Robot feet motivated to go up or down. Not that kind of up and down. Very clever. Basically, I want to be able to, that if I am, right, on that card, right, on these cards, and I press down, I want to select the one below it. Now, currently it doesn't do anything. So, we need to do a custom event. This is next row. And custom event, previous row. Now here's a thought process I'm curious about. Not a thought process I'm curious about, just here's a thought process that I'm having. Let's say I have damage boost in the top right, and I press down, and temporary invulnerability is not available to be selected because it's already in my deck. How do I choose the next card to select? Do I then just select the next one wherever it is? Try to pick that one? Or do I go previous? Because, for example, right behind me, a card is already selected. It's down there. So if I was in health up and then press down, right, would it select damage boost then? I feel like if you go up and down, we can make it. It'll be the card. It'll be the card you select. Oh, the card there / the next one available. And if you go up, it's the same thing. It's the card there, or it'll be the next one available. Or I guess if you go up, then it'll be the previous. No, it's the one to be the next one. Oh, actually, no. If you go up, it should be next one. And if you go down, it should be previous one. Yeah. Down is previous, up is next. Okay. Basically, we're doing this, but first we set the index to be the current index. Why does it default to that? +8. Now, I wanted to go loop on itself as well. So, if it was to loop on itself, I need to know how much it looped on itself by. So I need to check if this is greater than children count. -1. And if it is, and you set the current index to be current children count -1. Oh, sorry, this controller index. Subtract this becomes our new. Otherwise, it continues. And I guess I can just reuse the rest of this. So really, I don't need to copy this. I'll just tell it to go here. So from here, it needs to do this. Both untrue and false. And this is for next row. Okay. So now, here, I can say next row, here, and this is based off of, this is going to be down. Why do I never plug in things? How do I always do this? Down. Hey, it's selected down! It's selected down! Now, what if the down one was not available? So, health up. Down one's not available. I press down, it selects the last one because it goes to the next row, so it's the last one before it. And now I can press right if I want to. Okay, and then we do the same thing in reverse. So we need to go up. We're adding controller support in the whole menu. I didn't think I'd be doing this today. I thought I'd be bashing my head against the wall, failing. But nope. We're actually succeeding. Okay, so this is previous row. What? Previous. Wait, I'm using that somewhere? An event with customizable name and parameters? Oh, no. What's the error? Name is already in use. Oh. I made it already. Great. So here, instead of add 8, it's going to be subtract 8. And then we need to check if it is, if this value is less than 0. Or yes, greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, we just continue. Sorry, if it's less than 0, it's not going to be less than 0. So we continue on. If it is less than 0, then we take, we're going up. So we need to get the, swap these. Okay. So here, then, on the deck builder, we do the same thing. This is previous row. Here. This time plug it in. And this is left thumbstick down. Sorry, up. What? Okay. Down didn't quite work right. Well, I should be on second card, but instead of the second from the right. Up also didn't work. Here it works. It doesn't work when I want to go between them. Okay, that's fine. Why? So if I go from here down, it works because it exists. Here down is fine. Here down breaks. Break. Well, that works. For 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, no, that works. Down works. If I go up, I just went up again, and up didn't work. Oh, something didn't work. Previous row didn't work. Controller card index -8. Whatever it is, -8. If the index is less than 0, then get the however many cards we have. Oh, I'm minusing a minus, so I'm doing a plus. Why is it that? So add the negative value. Or maybe, you know what? Instead of doing what I'm doing, because now that I'm doing it, it doesn't make sense. I think if I'm here, if I'm like on the right there, going up and down, I do down again. I don't want to select from here. I want to just select the last index then. So if I would do next row, instead do so if it is greater this, then don't do this. Set it to be the last card index. So if I am here, I'm speed boost, grid chance up, and then go down, it selects the last card available. I think that's better. And then we can do the similar thing going up. It'll just it won't loop on itself. You can make it loop on itself, but so then just set the current index to 0. 0. If it's less than 0, then set it to 0. So if I go here and go up doesn't do anything. Yeah. So I no longer loop, but honestly, I think this is better. It makes more sense. That goes to the last one. If I go here, up. Yeah, so if I'm on the top row and I press up, it'll eventually get to the very first card. I actually like that a little more. I like that a little more. Cool. Now we don't have any way of swapping to select the deck cards. And those also need to scroll. But the top part is kind of working. Function's working. So what I want to do then is I just add another enum. For a controller deck builder area selection or controller deck builder for just DB selected area. DB would be database. Okay, so I want a few of them. I'm gonna start with none. Then we have the collection, the deck, and then the sort. Okay. And I'm just unlocalize these immediately. Oh, so I don't forget. Okay. Selected area. The deck builder selected area. Okay. So we want to be able to swap between all the areas. Do I want a none then? Yes, because it'll start a none. I think it'll start an it should start on deck. It should start on something. Actually, no, it shouldn't. I'm thinking it shouldn't because then... No, if you're using a controller, it should. But I do need none for keyboard and mouse. So I'll need to figure that part out. Okay. Here, we'll do a switch. So... I might collapse this to a function. Nah. If anything, I'll collapse it just in general. So this is the collection. So if I do just collapse nodes, this is going to be collection controller controls. I mean, it is. Input pin being gets key. Okay. And then this is from our deck. And this is going to be our deck controller controls. Why is it? No. How did it manage to do this? No. That's not how I meant to plug that in. There we go. Deck, controller, controls. Okay. So now we need a way of swapping. And I might just do that with a button. So can I do like next enum? Um. Get. I mean, I could do a switch, but that's. I mean, I guess. Yeah, I don't want to do next because then I have none. Okay, fine. So from collection, it'll be deck. From deck, it'll be sort. Actually, no. I'm gonna make different buttons for different things. Just like different things. I think that'd be better. Also, this get key is way too far. Promote a local variable. Get key. Why is gamepad special left? Odd. Maybe I create that and didn't delete it? Okay. So what I want to do, I think, is like deck collection, and then like maybe select the left special is the search or sort. So oh, I just duplicated before. That's why. Oh, special left is is the button to get into this menu. It should be. I think it should be the right button. It's not special left. It should be special right. No, special right. It's gonna be special left, which means this needs to be reconfigured before I forget. Where's the pause? Yeah, this is left. We'll make it right. I don't think there's any special rights. Okay. So if we do special left, then we set it to be sort. This is gonna be a sequence here. Then if we do right bumper, let's do left bumper. Yes, trigger as it's called.
ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Ads are ready. Actually, this should be all a sequence. There's no reason to check them all like this. Yeah, I'll do it for that. Basically, we're gonna have a way of swapping between all the sections, which is great. Second. Charge my phone. Charge my phone. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, we're not gonna do this way, we're just gonna do it this way. False, just do 1, 2, 3 and checks them. So if it is the right trigger, go to collection. Left trigger, we go to deck. And afterwards, we do switch based on that. Okay. So that means now, if I press right trigger, oh, the game pause menu is also mistakes were made. Okay. That is also the start button. Okay, let's not have it the start button then. Instead of special right, this goes back to special left. And I guess this one will be right shoulder. Which means let's change this one back to special left. But it'll be none of those. So it should be here. It should do. Should set it to this. And based off this, it should do. It doesn't work at all. Why doesn't it work at all? What? Why isn't it? It's not detecting the buttons. But does it not work with this? There's a problem that I set the key. Hold on. Maybe he just doesn't like me setting it as a variable. No, that was not why. Get display name. Yeah, pet right trigger, left trigger, right shoulder. Right shoulder, right trigger axis. Wait, what is this? What? Why does it do right trigger axis? Right trigger. Left trigger. That's why. Okay. Nope. There we go. So, okay. If I do this, then I can do these. Okay. So what I want to do is also now make it so when you select one, there's going to be, it selects the first one. So what I want to do now is in the deck version, we need no. Don't you. In the deck, I need another custom event. And this is going to be reset selection. Which is just going to set the index to 0 and then do a set its position. Custom event, reset position. Set this to 0, but I want to select the next one available. So it's going to do this, and then do this, and afterwards set mouse position. Oh. those lines. Up. A little nicer. So here now we can do before we set it. I wanted to see if it changed. So if this is equal to sort. Depending on whether or not, if it is not equal to it, we just set it. If it is equal to it, then I just want to reset both. Well, I want to reset the sort one, which we don't have a thing for. So, not going to do anything with that. It's fine. Then we have to do something similar. Twice more. For collection and for deck. It's not the same, just does it. But if it is the same, this is for deck, so then we reset. Selection. And then we do this. If it is the same... Oh, no, the same, we just don't do anything. If it's already set, then we don't do anything. If it's not the same, then we reset it, and then we do that. Here, we get the art collection. Set position. Is it reset position on one or reset selection for another? Reset selection. Yeah, it is. Selection. Yep. For false, it does this. Now, there are problems I know already. I haven't worked around yet. So if I did this, it selects the first one, and if I went all the way through, and I press this button again, it doesn't do anything, but if I press this, it selects the first one. If I press this again, it goes back to the start. And again, this. Excellent. Do I want to stay on the last card? I might want to just have it like stay on the last card. For now, I'll leave it like this. But I might want to go back to the last card I had selected at the time. Actually, well, we're adding and removing. Not yet, not yet. We still don't have a way of adding and removing cards, but the one thing that I have not done yet is what happens if I need to scroll past a single line. But that should be simple. In the card collection here, for this, it's I need to get scroll offset. And then I need to add 390. And down here, I get the scroll offset. And I subtract 390. Those values are not hard-coded, and it'll just work based off however many we have. Okay. Good. Okay. Do I have a player reference? I have a game mode reference. If I store my last input on the game mode side of my player, then I can get it in here. Input source. Oh, do I not store it ever? Wait. No, I do. I do store it here. So this last input type, I'm gonna store on the game mode instead. E input types. Last input type E types. Get game mode reference set last input type. Keyboard. Mouse. Controller. And then let's find the reference to this. So here we should do get reference, get this input type. Now we'll have access to this everywhere. Sets, and that's it. Okay, so I think I can now compile it, or remove it rather. Excellent. So that means now, here, event graph, I don't want to just default show mouse cursor. first of all. Second of all, I need to where's the game mode reference? Ah, here. So when we get the game mode reference, I also need to get last input type. Let's promote to variable. Actually, no need. Don't need it. If this is equal to controller, then go ahead and make the selected area selection. Now, that means I also need to do this, the check for when I activate the menu. Closing my character. It's fine. So in the event graph, basically for the pause menu here. I need to do the input source. Yep. So theoretically now, I just did select. I need to also from here I need to do a card collection and then reset selection. Select. Again. Select. First card already selected. And I can already start going. But if I press tab, it's not. If I press select, it is. Press tab, it's not. I can still go in and then do oh, but then if I do press the button on the controller, oh, okay, hold on. I know why. So it's because if it's this, we set it to controller. If it's not, we just select it to none. It needs to reset back. So that way, if I press the button, it selects it. If I press tab, doing whatever, and then I press this button, it selects the proper thing. Okay. Looking good. Now, I need to scroll with this as well. Because right now, if I continue to go right, it doesn't quite work. Right? So we need to do the scrolling stuff on the deck builder as well. Sorry, on the deck part of the deck builder. So, need something similar to what we have here. I need all of this. Set scroll offset, yeah, all of you, all of you. Yep. So, what do we use? We are using the X value. We don't care about the Y in this case. We need the X. And this number needs to be different. So, print string. Let's find out what our X values are. Well, I want this actually. So 0.111. So 0.1 is really it. And 1.6. Did I not select? Oh. Still. So there you go. 0.18. Oh, sorry, 0.06. So if that's 0.05. And greater than 0.9. Or 0.85. So it's greater than 0.85 and less than 0.05. Okay? And we basically need to move it to the right. So let's go grab our scroll box. And we want to move it to the right. How much? Well, there's the cars I think are 650. I need to check, but 650 times 0.35 plus 12. About 240. 240. 240. Is it as simple as that? Okay, yes, but because of the way it does that, it flickers. Want to do it earlier on. We don't want to go all the way to the right then. Ooh. Let's see how it works. So instead of 0.85, we'll do 0.8. Yeah, that works. Oh, does it not loop back? It loops back this way. It doesn't loop back around on the right. For some reason. Oh, it's because it means you loop the scroll. Yeah. So if it is less than, we scroll all the way there. Set scroll end. Set scroll offset. Set end. Scroll end, basically. I thought I saw a scroll to end. And here we can do scroll to start.
ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. We have a little bit of a flicker there. Don't have it in this way, but we have it in this way. Because scroll to end. I might just, instead of scroll to end, I need to do it, just set it to the furthest it can go. If I set it to be too high, I wonder if I can do. Just force it. I'll do it after that. I'm surprised it's not a lot of people were interested in this today. I thought that would be very interesting. It's interesting for me, but I mean, I guess I'm a very different person about that. So scroll to start, scroll to end. I guess scroll to start we can keep, but set scroll offset. What if I just set it to be like an insanely large number? That work? This way. Yeah. Works. No, it doesn't. I see it's there for a fraction of a. It's the same thing in both directions. Same problem in both directions. Okay. So if that's the case, then that doesn't matter. I can do delay until next tick here. Instead of here. Maybe. Nope. That doesn't work either. Why? Because it sets the mouse position first in this case. Oh, in this case, I don't want to do set mouse position first. In this case, I don't want to do set mouse position. I'm going to do a sequence. Do all of this, and then set mouse position. Still the same problem. Unless I did the delay to stick here. Oh, I don't. Why am I not at the start? Yeah, that's far worse. Okay, let's go back to where we were. Okay. Hmm. What if I delayed it on the card itself? What if I did delay here? Is hovered? This should print something's hovered. True, which means it should also do this. Yes. So what if I did a... Oh, I can't do a delay here, can I? I can't do a delay here. Oop. So... I guess I don't need to do an all. I just need to do it here. It's not great. Is why I set the scroll to end. Oh, because here I need a delay until next tick. Right? Then you delay it until next tick on this thing. What happened there? Why is it... It's like entirely bugging out. Why do I do it this way? Okay, what if... Let me see. On key down. I'm not gonna do this here. This should do it as itself. Then I could do a delay. And then set mouse position. Excuse me. Why is it not triggering an ult? Oh. Because I need to still do this. That's why. Why is it calling strike? What in the world? Why is it calling strike at all things? Increase it should go to the right. All the way to the right, make it left. I don't get it. This is instantly, so I don't need. Yeah, I don't need to. There's no time on that. Why is it selecting this one? That's the question. Why is the mouse there? I was on decrease. I get the children count -1. And that is my my index. Then I scroll to the end. Let's see what happens if I delay it more. Delay until next tick. I'm gonna undo this in the end, but can't even go left now. Okay, let's undo this. Okay. So and for some reason, putting a delay here caused issues. Why? Press left. Left again. Left again. It causes issues because of this. That's why it causes issues. If it's greater 0.8 and get scroll offset or get scroll offset event. Get the scroll offset of the bottom scroll box in slate snow. Bottom of the? I'm not sure. Get scroll. Maybe that is what I need. Let's find out. No, it's always 576. Oh, this is 576. So the scroll offset. I see. That is the maximum it can scroll is 576. 0 or 80. Oh, 960. See. Clamp. Float between 0 and and I can just do a max here. So it'll never go negative. And now if I check this value, it should never go above 80, 576. Yeah, it never goes above 576. Even though it tries to. Okay. Okay. So now what we can do is check that if the scroll offset is equal to one is equal to the other. And we're only going to do this one. This increasing one. If this is not, yeah. And if it falls out of there, then it needed to do this. So now I can go all the way to the right. And I need to be able to go all the way to the left as well. So this needs to this clamps. I guess that takes care of that. Yeah, that's fine. Still haven't solved the issue, though. The issue is not solved. It still does the little flicker. Right? Basically, when I go left... Oh, left is still broken. Right. I go right. The critical chance up flashes up. I go right and I go to the beginning. Why is critical chance up flicker? Because that's where my mouse is for just a brief moment. Set it to somewhere else. Aha. Aha. It's not quite right on. I click left. Why is it? I saw a flash. Yeah, there. Not always. Yeah, this helps. But it's not quite perfect. But that's okay. You know, we got a lot done. I got a lot done. It's actually working with a controller. Less than 0.05. Yeah, do we need to do directional? One last check. One last check of that the scroll offset is not equal to 0. Why does it pop up there? There. Stop for a moment. Why? It's not consistent. It is if I'm slow. I don't know. I'll need to figure this out. This will do some testing. I mean, it works. It has the one flicker bug. It's gonna drive me insane. Now I can't replicate it. Anyway, the 18 out of 899 that should stay. It shouldn't move anyway. There's a few things still to do, but we now are able technically to go between on a controller, open it, select our collection, or why can't I go up? Up doesn't work? Doesn't work? What happened? Just up doesn't work. Down works. Up doesn't work. Alright, what? What happened? Oh, why is this mouse button? What happened here? Gamepad, left thumbstick up. Why? That explains that. And I selected it down, up. There we go. Yay! Ooh. I get a brief flash there as well. Know how to fix this now, so fix it. I believe this is it. There we go. Now it no longer happens. Ta-da! Problem solved. Yay! Okay. And we go here. Scroll. Yeah, now it's no longer doing that effect. Oh, now it did it. Why does it do it sometimes? I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out eventually. But that is going to do it for tonight, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoyed myself. I know for a lot of people this wasn't that interesting, but freaking god, controller support in effectively an inventory system, in a sense, and effectively in a grid-based inventory system, without like using a mouse control, which I'm pretty happy with. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back on Sunday with at noon for Elden Ring. Continue our game there. We're very close to actually maybe beating it in a day or two, but it is what it is. Tune in just in time for your sign off. Yep, it's that time. And yeah, back then. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.